We, Namaste. We are so happy to see our special guests, respected teachers, dear parents, and friends here today. Welcome to our annual day celebration. Over to Devasmita.
Today, we are so excited to take you on a journey across India through dance. Our theme is Dances of India associated with friendship. Over to Rachit. Yes, Devasmita. India is full of different languages, festivals, and dances. But one thing that brings us all together is friendship. Each dance we perform today will show how friendship and teamwork are part of our culture. Over to Abigail.
As we begin the occasion, let us invoke blessings and dispel darkness with the lighting of the lamp. We request our special guests to light the lamp.
ನೀವು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಮನ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ